How to courier a mobile phone. To safely courier a mobile phone, you could use its original packing if available, or wrap it securely in a bubble wrap if not. Then you could also choose a sturdy box that's not too large, and consider using a dedicated electronic box from a shipping company like FedEx. So you could select a reputable courier with experience shipping electronics, opt for an express or priority service to reduce the transmit time as well. So what you could do is you could simply type go to FedEx. It's one of the renowned brand. So you could go to FedEx and read all the terms and conditions, and you could then go ahead and click on ship. So when you go to the ship section, then you want to log into your account and just go ahead and follow on the on-screen prompt in order to ship an item, and that way you'll be able to courier a mobile phone. So you could also contact a support, or maybe contact the FedEx support or any other application whichever you're using, and then let them know about it. They will be able to guide you on how can you courier a mobile phone as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.